Google Ads campaign types are advertising models that allow brands to reach their target audiences at the right time with the right message and on the right platform. In other words, Google Ads covers a vast ecosystem from search results to YouTube videos, news websites to mobile apps. And for this reason, businesses are not limited to using a single type of Google campaign. When advertising on Google, your goal may be to increase brand awareness, drive more website traffic, generate leads, boost e commerce sales, or even increase visits to your physical store. And therefore, choosing the right Google Ads campaign type for your objective is extremely important. In this video, we will explore Google Ads campaign types. We explain how each campaign type in the Google Ads ecosystem works, what goals they are best suited for, and why they are important. From search to display, YouTube to shopping, performance max, app, and demand gen campaigns, you will find them all in this guide. Search campaigns are the highest intent advertising model. The reason is simple. Users encounter search ads while actively searching for a product. As a result, search ads are ideal for reaching users who are closest to making a purchase or starting their purchase journey. So, the importance of search campaigns comes from their measurability and level of control. With this campaign type, advertisers can clearly see which keywords generate costs, which queries lead to conversions, and where performance is coming from. In addition, you can increase budget efficiency by using negative keywords. Search campaigns also operate based on the relevance between keywords, ad copy, and landing pages. That means not only the highest bidder, but also the most relevant ads are prioritized. So at this point, factors such as ad copy quality, landing page experience, and click-through rate becomes critical. In conclusion, Google search campaigns remain one of the most essential advertising types in the digital marketing ecosystem, especially for businesses aiming to generate leads or drive sales directly. Display campaigns allow advertisers to reach users without waiting for them to actively search by targeting them based on interests, demographics, and behaviors. For this reason, display ads are generally known for their awareness and brand recall impact. Therefore, one of the biggest advantages of display campaigns is scalability. With relatively low costs, advertisers can generate millions of impressions through this advertising format. So, display ads play a critical role in remarketing strategies. As you know, remarketing is a digital advertising technique used to reconnect with users who have previously visited your website or app but have not converted, or even those who already converted. Within Google Ads, remarketing remains one of the most effective strategies for increasing conversions. In the recent years, display ads have also seen major improvements in automated placements and creative optimization. Images, headlines, and descriptions are now tested in multiple combinations using Google's artificial intelligence. As a result, display campaigns are no longer just banner ads, they have evolved into a performance focused advertising format. YouTube is not just a video platform. It is also one of the most powerful channels for putting your brand in front of potential customers. And for this reason, video ads stand out from other Google advertising formats in terms of views, engagement, and memorability. These campaigns operate with several formats, including skippable ads and non skippable ads, bumper ads, in-feed video ads. And in terms of targeting, advertisers can use interest-based audiences, custom audiences, and remarketing options. Because of this, YouTube ads are especially effective for connecting emotionally with your potential customers at the top of the funnel. Just like display campaigns, Google's video advertising tools have significantly improved in conversion optimization in recent years. So this means that video campaigns can now be optimized not only for views but also for website traffic and sales. Shopping campaigns are one of the most powerful tools among Google Ads campaign types, especially for e commerce businesses. And there is a reason behind. In shopping ads, important product information such as product image, price, store name, etc., appears directly in search results. This allows users to get a clear understanding of the product before clicking the ad, and the biggest advantage of shopping campaigns is that they target users with high purchase intent. Therefore, the success of a shopping campaign depends on heavily on the quality of the product feed. Titles, descriptions, category matching, and product images must be optimized correctly. The more accurate and detailed your feed is, the better your campaign performance will be. In short, within the Google Ads ecosystem, shopping campaigns are a fundamental pillar for e commerce brands aiming to scale their sales. Everyone knows about Performance Max campaign because Performance Max campaign is one of the most automation driven campaign types in Google Ads, and Google is pushing for it. With a single campaign, advertisers can run ads across search, display, YouTube, Discover, Gmail, and Google Maps inventory. So, the importance of Performance Max campaigns comes from eliminating the need for advertisers to think in terms of individual channels. Instead, advertisers simply define their conversion goals and Google's AI takes over. That means ads are essentially operating on autopilot. And this approach provides significant time and performance advantages, especially for large scale accounts. However, it is not the thing like Performance Max as a set it and forget it campaign. PMax will not deliver strong performance without proper asset groups, clear audience signals, and high quality creatives. Therefore, among Google Ad campaign types, Performance Max requires one of the most strategic approaches. When configured correctly, it can deliver very high ROAS potential. App campaigns are designed to increase mobile app installs and in-app actions. These campaigns automatically run across Google Search, Google Play Store, YouTube, and the display network. So very similar to Performance Max campaigns, but for apps. And in-app campaigns, advertisers simply set their goal and budget, and the system optimizes the campaign based entirely on data to drive app growth. Among Google campaign types, app campaigns are essential for mobile focused businesses. Demand gen campaigns are a new campaign type that replaced discovery campaigns. And this campaign type offers more visual and engagement focused experience. These ads appear in high engagement environments such as YouTube, Shorts, and the Google Discover feed. Demand gen is also highly dependent on automation, and it is very effective during the demand creation stage. So when brands aim to capture the attention of potential customers who may not yet be actively searching, with strong creative assets, brands can connect with users who have high potential to become future customers. And that's it. All in all, Google ad campaign types are not just a technical specification. They form the backbone of a digital marketing strategy. Matching the right campaign types with the right objectives protects your budget and accelerates growth. With the right strategy and consistent optimization, Google Ads can take your business to an entirely new level. Whether your goal is to increase sales, drive more website traffic, or build brand awareness, the platform provides the tools you need. And this is exactly what we do in S&T Digital. At SS&T, we help brands harness the full potential of platforms like Google, Meta, TikTok through strategy, planning, and performance-driven execution. If you like this video, please hit the like button and follow for more content like this. See you in the next time.